Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on REALME GT3. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go power button on your seal logo on your screen. And here you have to select your language, then press power button to select, and now click format data, and you have to enter your verification code, and then click format. Now click OK, and now you have to wait. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.